morning, everyone. I would request all of you to stay on mute. Parinita, can we start?
Yes. Good morning, everyone. A country's greatness lies in its undying ideals of love and sacrifice that inspires the mothers of the race, said the Nightingale of India, Sarojini Naidu. It strikes us hard that this day that we proudly celebrate our Independence Day. And this freedom is because of our numerous fighters who shed their blood to present us an independent nation. Pritika and I, Parinita, will be your hosts for today's celebratory event. We at Kando as one bow to our nation.
Our chairman, Dr. Suresh Reddy, Director of Curriculum, Ms. Madhavi Reddy, Director of Operation, Mr. Naresh Reddy, our Principal, Ms. Kavita Sinha, and Dean of Administration, Mr. Sridhar. Last and the most important, we welcome you, our dear friends, parents, and our teachers to take part in this celebration of us stepping into the 75th year of independence. We request you all to kindly stand up for the flag hoisting ceremony and our national anthem, followed by our school song.
जनगण मन अधिनायक जय हे भारत भाग्य विधाता पंजाब सिंध गुजरात मराठा द्राविड उत्कल बंगा विंध्य हिमाचल यमुना गंगा उच्चल जलधि तरंगा तव शुभ नामे जागे तव शुभ आशीष मांगे गाहे तव जय गाथा जन गण मंगलदायक जय हे भारत भाग्य विधाता जय हे जय हे जय हे जय 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 हे
Now I request Dr. Suresh Reddy, Chairman, to share a few words on this occasion that marks our reverence and respect for the success of the struggles and hardships of our freedom fighters. Everyone, please sit down.
Good morning. Happy Independence Day to all of you. Today marks the day India has achieved the freedom from the British rule. India independence was a result of struggles and sacrifices by a lot of people, known and unknown. Let's remember and pay our respect to all of them today. It has been more than 70 years since, and the meaning of independence and the freedom are different for you. Today you are free to choose, talk and live the way you want. So let's choose wisely, talk with respect and live responsibly in the honor of all the people who have made this day possible. Happy Independence Day again. Take care of yourself.
Thank you, sir. That was a heartfelt message for us.
Let us now witness a special invocation dance performance by the grade 5 students. was a beautiful performance.
I invite our respected principal, Ms. Kavita Sinha, to address the gathering.
Respected Chairman, Dr. Suresh Reddy, Director Curriculum, Ms. Madhvi Reddy, Director Operation, Mr. Naren Reddy, Dean Administration, Mr. Sridhar, parents, teachers, Cando staff, and my dear students. We have gathered to celebrate Independence Day, the founding fathers of this nation, and the numerous freedom fighters who gave their lives to the country wanted it to be independent and happy. Over the last 7 decades, India has emerged towards becoming a global power to fulfill it. Today, I want you all to think about how we move from being just a free nation to a nation with zero tolerance towards corruption and a safe and healthy environment where all citizens are above the line of poverty, no one sleeps on the footpath, where we would be called a developed nation and not a developing nation, where our GDP is among the highest. The power of these changes lies in our hands. Even if each one of us decides to work with one problem of the society, we will see that we will be making great contributions towards the nation and to our community. Let us pledge today to do that in small ways from our home, our community, and help our country in this path of success. Patriotism is not something which we have to flaunt on Independence Day and Republic Day. We have to be patriotic in our actions. We have to connect with the rich cultural heritage of our nations. We have to take pride in what we have. On the one hand, you're patronizing the McDonald's and KFC. Then on the other hand, give a chance to our Anand Bhavan and MTRs. We have to think of giving franchisees around the world of our products. Most of you know about Niagara Falls, but how many of you know the beauty of Jog Fall, which is in our state Karnataka? Let us take pride in Made in India products and help our artisans, weavers. If we talk great about a country, others will listen. But if we only put down a nation, others will walk over us. We have to be proud of our nation and what the motherland has given us. We need to take it to greater heights. Let us salute today people who fought for the independence of the country and dedicated themselves to the service of this great nation. The end, let me repeat the famous prayer written by Rabindranath Tagore, where the mind is without fear and the head is held high, where knowledge is free, where the world has not been broken up into fragments by narrow domestic walls, where words come out from the depths of truth, where tireless striving stretches its arm towards perfection, where the clear stream of reason has not lost its way into the dreary desert sand of dead habit, where the mind is led forward by thee into ever-widening thought and action into that heaven of freedom, my Father, let my country awake. Happy Independence Day. Thank you.
Thank you, Ms. Kavita. Words breathe inspiration into our hearts. Now, let us have a look at the artwork done by all the learners to commemorate Independence Day.
Wow, those were some inspiring visual expressions of Independence Day. As we go ahead to celebrate a new independent year, we must remember that it was not an easy road for our forefathers. This celebration is in their name.
As Free Nation, we vowed to follow the principles that led us to this day, like unity, non-violence, and the values to do better for our country. Thank you all for joining us today. Happy Independence Day to all.